In this video, we're going to learn how to solve two-step equations. And again, a two-step equation is just one that requires, well, 2 steps to solve for the unknown variable. Now here we have an equation 2x plus 9 is equal to 21. I want to isolate for x. This means I want x all by itself on its side of the equal sign. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 9 from both sides. And the reason I want to do this is so that there's no 9 on the left-hand side with the x. So I have 2x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 21 minus 9. Again, anything I do to the left-hand side of the equal sign, I must also do to the right so that the equation remains balanced. Now you'll see that the two 9's on the left will cancel out because plus 9 minus 9 is just 0, and that's going to give me 2x is equal to 12, 12 just being 21 minus 9. Now, I still don't have x by itself. It's being multiplied by 2. And to get x by itself, I need to do the inverse of multiplication, which is division. So this time, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Now, if I do this, the 2's on the left will cancel because 2 divided by 2 is just 1. And that's going to give me x is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is x is equal to 6. Feeling good about that? Let's try a new example. Here we have 13 plus 8x is equal to 37. Well, the first thing I want to do is isolate x all by itself on the left-hand side. So if I subtract 13 from both sides, I get 13 plus 8x minus 13 is equal to 37 minus 13. And you'll see that the 13's cancel out on the left, which gives me 8x is equal to 37 minus 13, which is 24. So now I see that x is being multiplied by 8, and so I need to do the inverse, which is divide by 8. But I got to do it to both sides, which gives me 8x over 8 is equal to 24 over 8, and the 8's on the left will cancel out with one another, and this is going to give me x is equal to 24 divided by 8, which is x is equal to 3. All right, let's try one more harder example. Here we've got negative 52 is equal to negative 2t plus 12. So now you see that I have t on the right-hand side, and that's no problem. I just need to isolate it on that side. So I'll start by subtracting 12 from both sides. So now I have negative 52 minus 12 is equal to negative 2t plus 12 minus 12, which is going to cancel the two 12's on the right out. This is going to give me negative 64 is equal to negative 2t. And now if I want to get t all by itself, I need to divide both sides by negative 2. If I do this, the negative 2's on the right will cancel, and that's going to give me t is equal to 32.